Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into a truth that will free so many of you. You don't need thousands of followers to build real trust and real income. Trust is not about numbers, it's about connection. You can have 500 followers and build a six-figure brand if the relationship you have with those 500 is strong, personal, and rooted in real value. People don't buy from you because you're popular. They buy from you because they trust you. Trust that you understand them. Trust that you can help them. Trust that investing with you is the right decision. The first step to building trust without huge numbers is to show up consistently and personally. When people feel like they know you, hear you, and see you regularly, it lowers the barrier of hesitation. You're not a stranger shouting into the void. You're a trusted presence in their world. Second, be specific with the problems you solve. Don't try to appeal to everyone. The more focused your message is, the more your ideal clients feel like you're speaking directly to them. Specificity creates safety. It tells your audience, I see you, I get you, I have what you need. Third, deliver small wins freely. You don't have to gatekeep all your knowledge. When you help people even before they pay you, through a free tip, a helpful post, a DM conversation, you prove your value up front. Small wins build massive trust, and massive trust creates buyers who stay. Finally, engage like a human, not like a billboard. Respond to comments. Thank people for sharing your work. Remember names. Be relatable, not robotic. You are not above your audience. You are building with your audience. Final tip. It's not about having the most followers. It's about having the deepest connection with the right ones. Trust isn't built by numbers. It's built by moments. Moments where someone feels like you understand them better than anyone else.